Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the quiet town of Maplewood, nestled between rolling hills and dense forests, lived a young man named Sam. Sam had always dreamed of becoming a successful entrepreneur, but his journey was riddled with obstacles and failures. Despite his best efforts, every business venture he embarked upon seemed to end in disappointment. After graduating from college, Sam decided to start his own tech company. He had a brilliant idea for an app that would revolutionize the way people managed their daily tasks. With a clear vision and unwavering determination, Sam poured his heart and soul into the project. He spent countless nights coding, designing, and refining his app, convinced that it would be a game changer. However, reality hit hard. The launch was a disaster. The app was riddled with bugs, and users quickly abandoned it. Investors pulled out, and Sam found himself drowning in debt. Friends and family encouraged him to give up, to find a stable job and forget about his entrepreneurial dreams. But Sam was not ready to let go. Determined to succeed, Sam took a step back to analyze his mistakes. He realized that he had rushed the development process and had not sought enough feedback from potential users. With a renewed sense of purpose, he decided to start over. This time, he reached out to a mentor, an experienced entrepreneur named Alex, who had faced similar struggles in his own career. Alex's guidance was invaluable. He taught Sam the importance of patience, resilience, and listening to customer needs. Sam reworked his business plan, gathered a small team of dedicated individuals, and began developing a new version of the app. They conducted thorough market research, tested prototypes extensively, and incorporated user feedback at every stage. Months turned into years, and progress was slow but steady. There were times when Sam felt like giving up, but he remembered Alex's words: "Success is not the absence of failure, it's the persistence through failure." With each setback, Sam learned something new and grew stronger. One rainy evening, as Sam sat alone in his small office, he received an email that would change everything. A major tech blog had reviewed the latest version of his app and given it a glowing recommendation. Overnight, downloads skyrocketed, positive reviews poured in, and investors who had once turned him down were now eager to collaborate. Sam's app became a sensation. It was praised for its user-friendly interface, reliability, and innovative features. Within a year, his company grew from a handful of employees to a thriving enterprise with offices in multiple cities. Sam was invited to speak at conferences, sharing his story and inspiring others to chase their dreams. But Sam never forgot the struggles and failures that had shaped him. He used his newfound success to give back to the community, launching initiatives to support budding entrepreneurs and offering mentorship to those facing the same challenges he had once endured. Through perseverance, resilience, and a willingness to learn from mistakes, Sam turned his dreams into reality. His story became a beacon of hope for anyone who dared to dream big and faced adversity. He proved that with determination and the right guidance, even the most daunting obstacles could be overcome. In the end, Sam's journey was not just about achieving personal success but also about inspiring others to believe in themselves and their potential. He taught the world that failure is not the end, but a stepping stone to greatness, and that the true measure of success lies in the strength to keep going, no matter how tough the road ahead may seem.